Hey guys, have you noticed that your rear screen isn't working and you can't control it from the back? I'm going to show you how to fix that coming up. So if you notice that your rear screen isn't working in the back, what I would do first before you go send in a ticket to Rivian is the screen actually might be locked, and that's maybe why you can't control it. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it so you can control it from the back. So what you need to do is go ahead and go into your car button here down at the bottom. So you hit that, and then you hit the light button here. Then down here at the bottom, rear display unlocked. So if you lock it, if it's locked, and obviously that's why you can't do anything with it. So you got to make sure it's unlocked here. And then on the back screen, then you can play with it. So you can sync the AC. Basically right now, there's no functionality to adjust the AC in the back to what you want. So basically it's just going to be what the front is showing up here, on both sides. So right now there's no passenger sitting here. So you don't see this number, but if there's a passenger sitting there, then you can adjust that side as well. So basically you can sync it with the back portion on the right side. Same thing with the left side. So 65 on my side. So it'll blow 65 in the back there. And then basically the other stuff you can control right now is you can control the air on and off. So basically if you want only air to one side, you can hit one of the buttons. So let's say I want air to the left side. If you hit the right rear button, then it'll just blow air on the left side. And then the only other thing you can control right now is the heating and the just the heated seats in the back. So if you want to do that, you can do that from the rear screen as well. But that's it for now. You can't, like I said, you can't manually adjust the air in the back yet. I have heard that Rivian will make an update for that, but they're still working on that. So as of now, you can only do it in the front, basically. So that's how you do that. That's how you get functionality to your screen if it was locked. Hope that video was helpful, and thanks for watching.